Okay, you guys, so pretty much I'm gonna jump right into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go in and fix this ombre line right here. As you guys see, you can actually see where they tried to, do the ombre, but which it did not blend too well. So what I'm gonna go in is I'm gonna go back in with some bleach and just try to correct that area. And I'm also gonna be lightening the honey blonde part of this unit. I just did not like the color that the hair came in. I just find like the brown was too brassy, the blonde, it was really shiny, and it did not look good. So I just want to make it a bit lighter so that it can match my skin tone better. So right now I'm just adding the bleach to the hair. I used the bleach in the blue pack. I think it's clear blue or something like that it's called. And then I mixed it with the 30 volume developer and I just applied it directly to the hair. Once I was finished applying the bleach to the hair, I let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes before I rinsed it out. And then I went in with the toner. The toner that I use is by Wella Charmer. This one is in T27. And then I mixed the toner with the 30 volume developer. I literally just filled up that same little bottle and just added it to my mixture. When you mix it, it does get like a jelly consistency. It's really weird. But once I was finished mixing it up, I just applied it directly to the hair and I let the toner sit on the hair for literally only 20 to 25 minutes and then I rinsed it out. And then this is pretty much the outcome of the unit once I was finished coloring it. The hair is so soft and silky. The ombre is much more blended now. And the color is just beautiful. I love how the hair has like those different dimensions of like blondes and browns. It's really beautiful. The unit is super soft. The quality of this hair is amazing. And then right now I'm just going to take my curling wand and give my hair some big curls. So for the back of my unit, I am curling it with a curling wand. This curling wand is from Duvolle. I will leave it listed down below where you can purchase it. It did come with a 3-piece set, so you get like different size ones in it. And then for the front of my unit, I did use my flat iron to curl it up. And here is the outcome of the wig once I was finished curling it up. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some Got2b styling gel and I'm going to use this to hold my wig down. This is literally the wig, what it looks like without like any gel, anything on my head. Honestly, I could wear it like this, but I'm the type of person like I'm always plaiting my hair, so it's going to be sliding back, especially because I didn't add a band to it. If you do add a band to it, like you can wear it like this with no glue, no nothing, but like I said, I tend to plait my hair a lot, so I'm going to be using my Got2b gel just to hold it down for right now. So I'm just going to slid my wig back, and then I'm just going to place the glue like all around the perimeter of my head. The longest hold I ever got with the Got2b gel is probably 2.5 days, the most. So some people be like, this glue is like the best. This is not a glue, sis. This is a gel. And the longest hold I ever gotten from it was like 2 days. And then I'm just gonna pull it down and let it set into the glue. Okay, so now that the frontal, I can now go ahead and take my comb and just comb out my curls. This wig is so cute. I just love how it has like that different range of like colors and blondes and browns mixed in with it. So this is what the hair is working with. Now what I'm going to do is like slick the little baby hair that's right there. I like this piece right here. I just, you know, want it to lay flat. So I'm going to take some of the gel and I'm going to take my little edge control brush and I'm just going to take just like that, and then I'm going to lift the edges and like lay the baby hairs down over here as well. Alright, so this is pretty much the hair, and this is honestly how I applied most of my lace wigs. Again, this hair is from Divaswigs. Well, I wanted to show you guys the cute box that the hair came in. They've upgraded their boxes. You know, compared to the previous wigs I've received from them, they upgraded their packaging, boo. Y'all getting them coins now, huh? So inside my wig came in this little bag right here that has their, you know, their name on it. As usual, they're the only company that always send you a brush with your hair. I really like that. And some hair nets. And I'm just going to read you guys all the specs on the hair. So this hair is their Brazilian Virgin hair. The length that I received this hair in is a 22-inch. So the hair color, all it says is the same as pictures. So I'm sure once you're ordering the hair, you'll see like the picture on the website, it'll be the same color as the picture. But this is like an ombre tri-tone color. I really love how it has like the multiple different ranges of color. Like here's a dark brown, then we had a, I think it's like a lighter blonde, and then more blonde to the top, and then the back it fades into the ombre up here. So I really love the color of the hair. I must say, at first when I just got the hair, I wasn't feeling the color at all, because as you guys saw, I did go ahead and bleach back the blonde parts of the hair myself to make it a lighter blonde. The original color that the hair came in was like a brassy yellow brownish color. Really wasn't feeling it at all. So the lace color that I got is a light brown. So the cap construction on this wig is a full lace glueless lace cap. So what I love about like glueless lace caps is that you don't even have to like hold on your hair with anything. Like I showed you guys when I just put on the wig, like I didn't even have to apply gel to it to hold it down, and it was flat, like it was sitting on my head. So these wigs always come with like adjustable straps in the back of them, so all you really have to do is like adjust it to whatever sizing you want, and that's it. So that's what I love most about glueless lace caps, is that you don't really have to do a lot to the hair. So yeah, the hair did come with a little, you know, chemical stench to it. That's the reason why too I was like, okay, I'm definitely gonna go back in and bleach it, just because I wanted the color like way lighter. But besides that, that's the only bad part about the wig. Like everything else is amazing. Like the hair quality is amazing. Like I told you guys, this is not my first time working with Divaswigs. Their quality and the texture of their hair is superb. Like I've had units from them that lasted me about 2 years and counting. So other than that, I'm really like in love with the color of the hair. Also what I love, like I told you guys, this is a glueless lace wig. So like you can part this hair, go all the way back, and you're not gonna see one track. So it's super soft. I have not received any shedding or any tangling whatsoever with the hair. This has been about 4 days now since I've been wearing the hair. I did wear the hair straight, which it looks amazing straight. Like the hair goes bone straight, it stays bone straight. The hair just look amazing. It's like I've been wearing the hair for about 4 days now, and I've not gotten any shedding, no tangling whatsoever. The hair has been going great. So like I said, their quality here is out of this world. I know their hair might be a little pricey, but honestly it's so worth it. Like you're not wasting your money. Your hair is gonna last you a good while once you take care of it properly. So this is so cute, y'all. Like I'm really liking this. I look so classy, so elegant, you know. Also, this is like a really cute fall look that I created with. Toronto is already getting so cold, you guys, so I don't know what's going on. So I might be giving you guys some fall looks early. As usual, I do want to know how you guys feeling this look. Like, let me know. Put your opinions on it. Like, Did this wig come to slay or nay? Like, let me know. But that's about it on this hair. I will have all the details listed down below on where you guys can purchase this hair. Also, if I do have a coupon code, that will be listed down below in the description bar as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.